Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to remove the deck off my 42-inch Simplicity. The main reason for doing this is so that I can adjust the rollers. The bolts were too tight to do it with the deck attached. Once I got the deck off, I also realized that it needed cleaned. If you're just wanting to watch this video to see the deck removal and the installation, I've got timestamps in the description. And what I'm doing here is I'm just getting familiar with the underneath of my mower. I've never been under here, so I'm just checking it out to see what I'm working with. Now that I'm familiar with my mower, I'm reviewing the deck manual instructions. These particular instructions don't include deck removal, only deck installation, so I've got to start at the end and work backwards. In this step, you're basically lowering the deck to the ground so you can easily access the pins. It does have a step before this, but I found it easier to do this one first. There are a total of 10 steps to installing the deck, so if you're doing it backwards, you should start at 10. But I found it easier to do the 7th first, which is lowering the deck, which does make it easier to do steps 8 through 10, which is removing the belt. Now it's time to remove the clips and pins. There are a total of 3, one in the front and one on each side. Two things to point out here. One, have a board handy to help you release the tension so you can easily slide the pin out. This makes it a lot easier if you're doing it by yourself. And two, once all the clips are released, use the foot adjustment pedal to raise the deck to the highest position. This gets the brackets out of the way so you can easily slide out the deck. That's gotta be fixed, because it's gotta breathe. going to be 2 1/4. About 2 1/2. So right here. Oh shoot, see? Just cut 2 1/2. Just a quick tip here. That deck is extremely heavy, and if you lay down two 2x4s or two 1x1s or something on the ground and place the deck on top of it, you're going to be able to slide the deck very easily, and it's going to come in handy when you're trying to line everything up. Here in a few seconds I make a mistake, and had I not made that mistake, it would have saved me maybe 30 minutes on this job here. Let's see if you can notice it before I point it out. Oh yeah, there we go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, damn it.